Are you trying to decide between Airtable and Supabase? You're not alone. Both tools have their strengths, but which one is right for you? Today, we'll compare Airtable and Supabase. Both are powerful platforms, but they serve different purposes. Airtable is mainly a project management tool. It helps you organize tasks, track projects, and collaborate with your team. On the other hand, Supabase is an open source backend as a service. It lets you build applications quickly with a database, authentication, and real time features. Let's dive into Airtable first. It offers a user friendly interface. You can create databases that look like spreadsheets. It's great for managing data visually. You can add attachments, links, and even calendar views. Airtable is perfect for teams that need a flexible workspace. Now, let's look at Supabase. This tool is designed for developers. It provides a PostgreSQL database which is powerful and reliable. Supabase also includes features like user authentication and real time updates. It's ideal for building apps quickly without worrying about the backend. When it comes to key differences, Airtable focuses on ease of use and visual organization. Supabase, however, is all about development speed and backend capabilities. In terms of features, Airtable shines with its templates and collaboration tools. Supabase stands out with its database management and real time functionalities. Pricing can vary, but generally, Airtable offers a free tier with limited features. Supabase also has a free plan, but costs can increase as you scale. So, who should choose what? If you need a simple visual way to manage projects, go for Airtable. If you are a developer looking to build apps fast, Supabase is the better choice. If this comparison helped you, please like and subscribe for more content.